Hi and welcome to a new episode on my series Learn swiftui. We're gonna refactor our pizza ordering form to use combine and use observable object to notify views when something changes. Let's get started. To refactor our pizza ordering form, we're gonna use a new concept called observable object. This object is an object that notifies the view about the changes that are happening on one or more of its properties. So when do we want to use observable object? Whenever we're gonna receive data from a server, from an external source, from a web API. Let's get started and create a class. I will create it here in the same folder to have a better understanding on what's happening and what we're gonna do. Let's name this class order, and it will conform to observable object and also to identifiable protocol. Okay, now we need to see what kind of properties we need to be notified about, and basically these properties are the ones that we have here wrapped with the state property wrapper. Let's move them up inside the class, and we need to mark which properties are we interested in. So there is another property wrapper called published that tells swiftui, okay, this property will publish changes to subscribers. So let's change all the state property wrappers with the published property wrapper. And you see now we have a lot of errors. Let's go and fix them one by one, and they are pretty easy to fix. Here, instead of sending the type like this, we just need to access the type from the order, and now this is fixed. Let's do this for all the properties. And I forgot, we don't have an order actually. The first step would be to create an order class instance like this. And for the views to know that this is an observable object, we need to decorate it with a property wrapper called observed object. And now the view will know that this is an observable object. Okay, let's fix all the errors. Let's move these types of pizzas, sauces and sizes inside the class as properties. Okay, so now we created these properties on the order. For creating the picker choices, we're gonna use a for each, and we're gonna create a range smaller than order dot types dot count. This will iterate over the array of types like index in. Okay, and here we're gonna use the text, and we're gonna access the current item by using order types, and inside the square brackets use the index, and then the tag will be the index. Okay, this goes for all the pickers, so let's do this change everywhere. So I forgot here to provide a unique identifier. Because we are iterating over a string array, we're gonna say to the for each, you need to identify items by themselves, so we're gonna do dash self. I will do this for all the for eaches. Okay, and to make this refactor even better, we can move this class into its own file. So we're gonna create a new file. We're gonna select a Swift file. Let's name it order. We'll import here swiftui. Also we'll import combine. And now we just need to move our class from the view file inside the order file. By doing this, everything looks more cleaner and we kind of separate the model from the view, and let's see that everything works. And now, as you can see, we have our pizza form with the default values pre-populated. We can also select another value. Also the address. And everything works. This is it for this episode, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, and also if you want to receive more news on my videos, hit the subscribe button, and until next time, I wish you all the best.